The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take it right, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
Hello everybody, so today I'm away to get my hair done and you're thinking, Sarah, you've already had your hair done. Yes I have people, yes I have. But I'm getting a Braziliana Blow Dry today, which is kind of like the opposite of a perm I suppose really, if you want to kind of put it in layman's terms. So basically it's like smooth and sleek and silky hair, once. Makes it smooth and sleek and less like this. So if I take my hair down, I washed my hair the other day and I just let it dry naturally. So as you can see, this is entirely the natural state of Sarah's hair. You can see it's kind of wavy and curly, which some people like. I don't mind it, but for me it's not for me. And I've kind of just brushed it this morning because there's no point in really doing it because I'm just about to go off. There's loads of other things been happening today which we'll show you in another video, but today is just about this. So I'll catch you on the flip side when I'm looking awesome. So here is the before. So guys, this is the final product. What do you think?
Joshua Victoria Sam with 0
So, this is a Braziliana blowout or blow dry, whatever you want to call it. It is like a smoothing, conditioning style treatment in your hair. It sort of straightens it, but it doesn't really. That's not its main purpose. It like makes it nice and sleek and easier to manage. And my hair, as you've seen from the before, is crazy. So I'll pop some photos of some comparisons of the back of my hair on the screen as a chat. But yes, as you can see, it's looking beautiful and I absolutely love it. Now I can't get it wet for 24 hours, so I can't go and wash it out in the rain, sweating and like that. Can't tie it back for, well, it should be 48 hours, but at least 24 hours. So guess I get to go out of doing lots of things. But yes, so I need to wear it down for work tomorrow, which should be alright because it's short enough that I can get away with that. But yes, absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend it. And yes, I think I'll be telling my sister to get it because she's getting mad hair like me. Yes, it's just looking good. And it took about 3 to 3.5 hours to do.
One eternity later.
So it's a few days later, and I thought I'd show you my hair now that I've had a chance to wash it myself, dry it, straighten it, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's still really smooth. I've washed it a couple of times now. I don't have any product or anything in it at all, and I've been out all day today. I've been at the dump or the recycling centre doing stuff, and I've been at the shops, that kind of thing. I've been doing a lot of different things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to park his up here and I'm going to do a wee twirl to show you. So as you can see, whoa, whoa, whoa. So yes, this is what it looks like now that I've had the chance to do it myself. So 10 out of 10 would recommend to a friend, 100% agree. Also I want to show you my t-shirt. This is one of my custom ones I got done from the Disney shop. I'm not sure if I showed you that, so this is from the Shop Disney website. Now we've got two good to goes to show you.
Hello.
So now that Robert's finished watching the telly and food is mentioned,
Yep, I appear.
we are going to appear. So I've just propped you up here. Robert, which bag do you wish to show? You can show a bag.
Okay, I'll do the Greg's one.
You do the Greg's one, okay.
So we've got a too good to go for Greg's today. We've not had one for a while. So we've never had 4 donuts before. That's been a big surprise for me. Also got one of my favourite sandwiches. Egg mayonnaise sandwich. We've got
This is a good one, isn't it?
a great one. We've got
Egg and ham.
egg and ham roll.
An egg and ham roll. Should we turn it round this way?
Yep. And we've
Oh, what
got
have you got now? 4 sausage rolls!
4 sausage rolls.
Oh my
4 sausage rolls for the
goodness!
price of beef, but I don't. I think we got that for an even bigger discount.
Oh my
'Cause we paid,
goodness!
what did we pay? £3?
No, it wasn't even that. Does it tell you on it?
No.
Where's my phone? Oh, it's on there. Have you got your phone on you?
Yeah.
We share the app, the same login, so it'll be on his.
Right.
Orders.
£2.60.
£2.60.
That is a bargain.
That, my friends, is an absolute bargain.
That is a steal.
Right, now we've got Costa, so that's the best we've had from Greg's yet.
Oh, yeah.
That was a Greg's inside a Tesco Superstore. So, I wonder if that made any difference. I don't know.
So you're going to try this one out?
Right, I'm going to do this one. Right, so, first thing we've got is an egg, mushroom and spinach roll, like a breakfast roll. I actually really quite like them. I do actually sometimes get them when I'm there. We then have a tea cake, and some sort of, I don't actually know what that is,
Thing, is it?
flapjack sort of thing. And then we have some sort of walnut bread and some sort of muffin. So that's actually alright.
And that was £3, so I would say the Greg's one wins.
The Greg's one definitely wins today, for sure. I would say that's where we're most disappointing Costa we've had.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's still really good. We still obviously will enjoy them.
It's still a bargain.
It's still a bargain, obviously.
Because it's like maybe 10 quid's worth there, because Costa is a wee bit dearer than Greg's.
Yeah.
So yeah, thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Pleased with that.
Definitely, 100%. Do you want to show your pin while we're here, because you haven't done that yet?
No.
Robert, we forgot that Robert hadn't shown his pin in the last video we talked about it, which we'll link down below. Robert got a mystery pin, so he's just opening it up.
And it is...
Right, and I'll get it there so you can get it in focus.
Yeah.
There we go.
Incredible. So that's good. So I didn't know what I was going to get, and it was basically free with Sarah's Disney order.
Yep, so I bought this t-shirt and then I bought the Lion King Stitch t-shirt from that collection. So really enjoying that.
That's just...
That's what it is.
So we've got a HelloFresh today as well.
Oh yes.
So we'll show you what we've got, and you'll probably see us cooking in the next vlog. So we've got coronation chicken curry.
Wait a minute, I'll hold them here.
Right. We've got chicken and mushroom crumble.
It's kind of like probably like a chicken pie type situation.
We've got a Mediterranean style salad.
Now, I'm not, this had feta in it. I don't know if I've liked feta before, so
We'll give it a bash.
give it a
You
bash.
don't have to put it in if you don't like it. And we've got a sausage, caramelised sausage tray bake.
Which looks really good. So, that all came today. So we'll get cooking that during the week. Tonight we are having sweet chilli kebabs with some salad and wedges.
Sounds good. I might have a wee Greg sandwich for a start.
Are you going to show them what you're into now? Now because we all know Robert's into beer of the week. Now, Robert has a new thing now.
Yeah, so A few weeks ago we went to IKEA.
We're doing a lot of home improvements, guys, but that's a
We'll
separate
see those in
thing.
the next vlog. So I got an IKEA pear cider and I quite liked it. So
Basically, it was at the till for like £1 or something.
So the other night, Sarah got me, she brought back Cockbear pear cider, and I really liked it. So she's brought me. She was away shopping today, as she told you, and she got me another 2 Cockbear pear ciders.
What else did you get?
So she also got me another couple of kinds too. So I've got a mixed fruit
Tropical one.
tropical one.
And just the regular one, haven't you?
Just a regular mixed fruit one. Now, yesterday was Saturday, so I was at the pub, and it's a wee bit more expensive in the pub for the
Right,
cider.
because you bought it in the pub to try it, didn't you?
Yeah.
How much was it in the pub?
Oh, it was like £3.50.
And it's like £1.60 a bottle in
Yeah,
the
so I'll
supermarket.
just bring that in the house.
Could be, yes. So, we are off to have put all this away, have dinner. Oh, I want to show them what I got, my Clipos.
Okay.
Right guys, this takes me back to my childhood. So I was at the supermarket getting the shops? No. Rewind Sarah, the shopping. Oh dear. These home renovations are, they're killing me.
Almost done.
They're almost done. New washing machine comes tomorrow because ours sounds like a plane taking off.
Yeah, it's like an air show.
It's, oh yeah, for sure, isn't it?
A Spitfire, yeah. If you've ever
So-
heard a Spitfire in the sky, it's like that.
Earlier on, the back door was open, the washing machine was on, and I was going out the house to get into the car to go to the shops. I literally heard it getting in the car when I was in the street.
Yeah, so.
So that couldn't have been good.
Oh.
So it comes tomorrow, AO are delivering it tomorrow, so I cannot wait.
Yeah.
And
Separate vlog, we'll show you all the stuff.
yes, so that'll be coming in a separate vlog. We're going to do a home improvements vlog. You'll kind of see the transformations that we've done, and that kind of thing, so we're looking forward
Sarah's
to
got a post on Instagram, so if you don't follow us on Instagram, give it a check and give her Twitter and that a check as well.
Right, so Clippos! I've never seen them before.
Apart from about 30 years ago.
So, buzzing out my wee chatty.
So you may have one of those tonight for your sheet.
Yeah, I might do.
Yeah.
The other thing, guys, I want to ask is, I still can't find Little Moons. I want these Little Moons. I want in on that action. But yet, I went to Tesco today, and I didn't find the Little Moons. Where are the Little Moons?
Yeah, be careful, we'll be getting a new sink as well.
Yes. I'm going to have one of these tonight. And I can't wait. Anyway.
So anyway, yeah, so we're going to finish this vlog and we'll see you in the next one. And it's going to be a mystery what you're going to get, as usual.
As usual.
So
Yes. I promise I'm not going to get my hair done again. That's me done for a while.
So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, have a notification bell, give us a big thumbs up or thumbs down. It doesn't matter to us. It doesn't matter to YouTube either.
Subscribe. The subscribe thing, guys.
Subscribe as well.
We would love you to subscribe because we know that 60% of the people watching right now are not subscribed.
I know, and it really helps us out. So
It does. It really
why
helps
not?
us out.
It's free.
Those thumbs help us out too
It's
as well.
free, so if you're subscribed to Netflix, Prime Video and that already, don't worry, this is free, so
Yeah.
we might
Right.
not be as good, but anyway.
We shall catch you on the flip side.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go.